If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, yoga can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. While all types of yoga can help with weight loss by increasing physical activity and reducing stress, there are some specific types of yoga that are particularly effective. One of the best types of yoga for weight loss is Vinyasa yoga. This style of yoga involves flowing through a series of poses, with a focus on syncing your breath with your movements. This can help you burn calories and build strength, as well as improve your cardiovascular health. Another great type of yoga for weight loss is power yoga. This style of yoga is similar to Vinyasa, but it's more intense and challenging. It focuses on building muscle and increasing flexibility, and it can help you burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Hot yoga is another popular type of yoga for weight loss. This style of yoga is practiced in a heated room, which can help you sweat out toxins and burn more calories. It's also great for increasing flexibility and improving overall health. Ultimately, the best type of yoga for weight loss is the one that you enjoy and will stick with. So try out different styles of yoga and find one that feels good for your body and your goals. Remember to also pair your yoga practice with a healthy diet and lifestyle to see the best results.